Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and for those of you who've been watching, this is just going to be a quick little video for people who have not seen this channel and the things that we have, and a little bit more of a backstory on me. I didn't start learning to program until I was 36 years old, and I have learning disabilities. I suffer from dyslexia, and I have to try really, really hard. And what the real point of this video is that if you work hard, any of this is possible. And it took a lot of time and it took a lot of effort. But what my real point is if I can do this, honestly, anybody who has any sort of desire can do this. And I can't say that strong enough, loud enough. If I can do this with the issues that I struggle with, anyone who has any desire to learn these skills, which you are going to need in the future, I cannot say that enough. If I can do this, anybody can do it. I didn't start. I was old, set in my ways, had kids, had a job, and this was important, and I wanted to learn how to do this. And the real reason for this channel that I do this is there are pitfalls out there with other teaching techniques. You learn the basics and then you jump way into some very advanced stuff. And what I'm doing is I'm going very piecemeal, step by step, to make sure that you understand how these things all work together. And again, if I could do it, literally anybody out there who has a desire to learn anything about programming, try it. Just try it and you'll be surprised. And I'm fortunate enough that I get to go and teach this on this channel, and I also go to my kids' school, and kids love this. But if you're an adult who's on the fence, not sure if they can learn this, if a 36-year-old with dyslexia, there you go, dyslexia and other learning disabilities can do this, anybody can, I promise. So thanks for watching, thanks for listening, thanks for subscribing, and just here's to 100 videos and to where we can go. So thanks everybody, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys.